In this video, we'll look into an algorithm to check the character count in two given strings. For example, there are two strings s1 and s2. We need to check whether the character count is equal in both the strings or not. It's similar to permutations, but we will take a different approach and try to solve it. So in permutation, what we did was we sorted two strings, right, and compared the strings, so which took 2n log n time complexity. So here we will take another approach which can be done in linear time O of n. So let's look into it. What we will do is, right, we are considering these the characters available in these two strings are ASCII, not the extended. It's 128 7-bit, it's using 7 bits, so we are considering only 128 characters here. So what we will do is we will create an array of 128 length, integer array of 128 length, and iterate over the characters in the string 1 s1 and increment the count of the characters in the array. So first time when we iterate on the string 1, and second time while we are iterating the string 2, what we do is we subtract the character count in the same array, right? For s1 string we will increment plus plus, and while we are iterating over s2 string we will do minus minus, and in the same iteration we will make sure that the character count at any given position doesn't cross 0. It should not be less than 0. Character count should not be less than 0. So if it's less than 0, then that means the character count is different. So here we are only making sure that character count is same in both the strings. So let's go and attempt this, try to code this. This is the IDE. So first place, let's first count the length of the each string. So if s1 dot length is not equal to s2 dot length, then strings have different character counts, so we can return false. So let's create an array, integer array. Length 128. Now let's iterate over the string s1. So let's convert the s1 to character array. S1 array. So s1 dot to character array, and for loop character c s1 array, and let's increment the count, char count of c plus plus. So in the first iteration we took the s1 string and incremented the count at its respective locations in the character count array, and let's iterate the second string s2, int I equals to 0 to length I less than s2 dot length I plus plus. So let's get the character. See at the position, specified position s2 dot char at I. So let's decrement the count in the character count array. Character count array of so if at any given point the character count for this character went below 0, right, becomes negative, then we can return false. That means the two strings have different character count. So in the end we can return true. So are we good? Yes. I think okay, this should go here outside the loop. So let's run this one. So let me enter A B C D E F G H I J I K L M, and let me enter in reverse order M L K I J H G F E D C B A. It returned true. So character count is same. So let's run once again for negative test case where character count is different. So this is the length is same, but there are different characters, so it returned false. So this is the simple thing. We are iterating each string and incrementing the character count in this array in first iteration for string s1 string, and in the second iteration along with decrementing the count we have added this extra condition where at any point the character count for any character should not go below 0.